Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. In this video, I am going to discuss Chapter 2 for CBSE Class 12 Mathematics students. The topic is inverse trigonometry function. I am going to discuss example 1. I already completed and solved all the problem in Chapter 7 integral. It is available in my YouTube channel. You just check it from the playlist. Example 1. Find the principal value of sine inverse of 1 by root 2. We have to find principal value for sine inverse of 1 by root 2. Let sine inverse of 1 by root 2 take it as some y. What is 1 by root 2? Sin y. We know very well from the lower classes trigonometry table 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 1, cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. See which value of degree for sine 1 by root 2. We have to identify which value for sine or which degree value for sine. The value is 1 by root 2. See here 45 degree. If I convert into radian, it is nothing but pi by 4. Therefore, sine pi by 4 which is equivalent to 1 by root 2. Therefore, sine pi by 4 which is equivalent to sine y. Therefore, y equal to pi by 4. But what is y? Sine inverse of 1 by root 2 which is equivalent to pi by 4. And most important thing, the range of principal value branch of sine inverse is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, which is a open interval. This pi by 4 lies in this open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. For the example 1, the principal value for sine inverse of 1 by root 2 is pi by 4, which is correct one. And also remember this table to find the answer very easily. This is domain, this is range. Sine inverse range is closed minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Cos inverse range is closed 0 comma 5. Cos inverse minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 minus singleton set 0. Secant inverse closed 0 comma pi minus pi by 2. Tan inverse open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. For cot inverse open interval 0 comma pi. You have to memorize this one so that all the problem for finding the principal value branch is very easy. One must know both domain as well as range. You have to memorize for sine inverse, cos inverse, cosecant inverse, secant inverse, tan inverse and cot inverse. Here not open interval,
closed interval.
Now I am going to discuss example 2. We have to find the principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. Solution. Let y equal to cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3, which implies cot y equal to minus 1 by root 3. Cosecant inverse of minus x minus cosecant inverse of x, tan inverse of minus x minus tan inverse of x, cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x, secant inverse of minus x pi minus secant inverse of x, cot inverse of minus x, which is equal to pi minus cot inverse of x. Here problem is based on cot inverse. Therefore, I am going to use this formula for cot inverse of x means pi minus cot inverse of x. Therefore, cot inverse of minus of 1 by root 3, which is equal to pi minus cot inverse of 1 by root 3. Again, from the trigonometric table, sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, sine 91, cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. We have to find cot inverse. Since cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, here 1 by root 3, or cot theta equal to cos by sine. See, if you divide 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, 2 cancel, you are getting 1 by root 3. Our problem is also 1 by root 3. Therefore, cos 30 by sin 30, which is equal to cot 30. Cot 30 is nothing but cos 30 by sin 30. Cos 30 by sin 30, we are getting 1 by root 3. Therefore, 30 degree equal to cot inverse of 1 by root 3. For cot inverse of 1 by root 3, I can replace by 30 degree. If we convert into radians, it is pi by error. cot theta cos by sin. See, there is a error. See here, cos 60 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2 by root 3. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. Therefore, cot not 30, 60. Cot 60 is cos 60 by sin 60. This value for cos 60 is 1 by root 3. Cos 60, if you convert into radians, this is 5 by 3. Cot 5 by 3 is 1 by root 3. What is 5 by 3? Cot inverse of 1 by root 3. Therefore, cot inverse of 1 by root 3, I will replace 5 by 3. Therefore, from this equation, star cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to pi minus pi by 3 cross multiplying 3 pi minus pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. Also, one must know the principal value branch of cot inverse is, see, for cot inverse the principal value is 0 comma pi. Open interval 0 comma pi. This 2 pi by 3 lies in this interval 0 comma pi, which is open interval. In this video, I have discussed two examples, one based on sin inverse, second one based on cot inverse. For both the problem, one must know the principal value branch. For sin inverse, close minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. For cot inverse, open 0 comma pi. As well as one must know the trigonometry table of all 6 functions: sine, cos, cosecant, secant, tan and cot. If you know everything, it will be very easy to find the principal value branch. Next, I will discuss exercise problem, that is exercise 2.1 in the upcoming video. You just subscribe my channel, share my channel to your friends and like my channel. Thank you.